Good morning, and welcome to our continuing series on homeopathy with our beloved Dr. Pachachavka. Sir, when we were very young, we were always told wisdom teeth have to be extracted. And mine were, and painfully so. Is it necessary?
See, it's not at all necessary. It is not at all necessary. See, between like age 21 to 30, males, females, everyone gets eruption of wisdom teeth, and it is most natural phenomena. In some people, what happens? Maybe they are not used to eat something which is solid. Maybe they don't need to grind food, because too much refined food, too much cooked food doesn't give good exercise. But if you are eating raw fruits, things which are little harder, like as I told, the crust of the bread.
Or an apple or a carrot?
Apple also is bit soft. Carrot, yes. Carrot, yes. Even guava, which is not that ripe. These things. And in India, we advise sugarcane juice, where you get lot of exercise in masticating it or making the juice from it. So if this is given, we can even guide. These wisdom teeth can grow properly and they can work. See, the divine has created the design of teeth with some purpose. It is called wisdom tooth because it coincides with becoming like 21, 22, and wisdom is supposed to dawn at that age for the life. But see, our human body has a very slow ossification. The last bone to get ossified is our clavicle. So, on an average, up to the age of 25, we are still maturing. And around 25 age, we have complete ossification of all the bones, especially these two clavicles. They are ossified as the last bone to get complete ossification, and around that time the wisdom teeth also erupt. So
when you say erupt, is that impacted?
No, it is in a dormant state in our location.
Okay.
And all four sides, and then it starts coming up, growing. That's the natural process. So erupting out in the sense it comes out for work. Otherwise it is embedded in the gum bone till then. So many people, we have seen, it's a fashion. Some dentists say your gum mucosa is very hard and it is not allowing tooth to erupt out. So they give incision and it comes out well. But we have homeopathic remedies which can help in what we call a painless eruption of wisdom teeth. Again, like we have these calcarea phos like remedies where we have helped people. Many times what happens, the wisdom tooth is the last tooth on both sides,
right,
above as well as below. And that being very close to the junction of our jaw, many dentists feel that that is the cause of irritation in your cheeks. And they say that also is bothering. So either they make it blunt or sometimes they advise it should be removed. But in normal course, if it is managed well, wisdom tooth, there is no necessity. It is not warranted that it should be removed.
I see.
Not at all. And not that it is something which is undue. Only that is indicator that your now ossification is complete. Now you are a full-fledged being, adult being. So that is indicator of that. And really we have seen that people, most of the people in India, we have seen wisdom tooth is not a problem at all. It's only with the people with so-called, modern society where everything is readily cooked and everything is readily available for swallowing.
Yes.
So hardly there is any work teeth do, and maybe there it is a problem.
Okay.
In normal course, wisdom teeth should not have any problem. No intervention is warranted.
Thank you so much.